right. I think I showed you guys this before. Not sure. At least a picture of him. This, I don't know what you want to call him. I need to prop him up a little bit here. Again, this is one of your basic skulls you get in a bag of bones or wherever. Hands you can get separately, and I just kind of built the rest of the rib cage, and that I think that's out of an anti-fatigue mat. That's his body, and PVC for the arms, and then a little bit of dry brushing and paint, and kind of an old shirt, kind of tie-dyed it. And so anyway, what we got going on here, let me think for just 1 second. I'll grab this stick for now. Hang on a second. Bear with me. Let's see if we can't get him propped up off the ground. Okay. This is still, I'm in the testing phase. He will have a motion sensor in him, so he goes when you go by him. This power supply is a 12 volt power supply, 10 amp continuous surge. I use these for my radios and various things, but works great for testing props. Now he's at full speed and his arms are adjustable. I don't really have them set the way I want. Usually one's out and one's back, so he's crawling. He's kind of propped up off the ground right now, but when you put him down, he actually kind of grabs and comes at you. So that gives you some idea of what I'm shutting off. Gives you some idea what I'm doing here. I think that's going to be a good one, you know, as far as putting him in the graveyard out here. Still working on graveyard. Just getting started. So inside here is it's kind of like the kicking legs prop. You got your motor. As that motor goes around, the arm on that is thrown out and back and out and back, and on the end of that is your arm this direction, and it's pushing that back and forth this way. That makes sense. The arm is on one end of that, throwing it in and out, right? And so that gives you some idea how that's built on the inside of there. It's a wiper motor, and you monkey around with some of that stuff, you'll figure out how to adjust things, you know, for the distance of how far you want to throw, and it's always different. It's a learning curve on everything you build. But as you can see, I can move these arms around, and I gotta put his hands back on. When they get put away for the year, the things get screwed up, and you got to go back and fix it. And some of them I got to fix their hair, and but anyway, that's just gives you some idea of the things that I monkey around with, and I don't know where you could buy one of these. Spirit Halloween maybe, if they have it in. I like building my own. Anyway, as I go along, I will be showing you the rest of these props, the rebuilt gravedigger for this year, and the haunt setup. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will be back here shortly. Crowhaven out.